Are you noticing the number 777? You're in for an incredible journey ahead. Today, let's delve into the realm of numbers, particularly focusing on 777. Have you been encountering this number on license plates, your computer screen, receipts, or even dollar bills? Wherever it appears, it serves as communication from the infinite field of potential to you. It's a sign that marvelous blessings are flowing into your life. Indeed, when you add up 7 plus 7 plus 7, you get the number 21. In Kabbalah, 21 holds significant power. It's arguably one of the most potent numbers as it symbolizes the infinite Godhead. It embodies pure I am energy. When we speak of I am affirmations like I am abundant, I am rich, I am happy, I am loved, we're tapping into this I am energy. In Hebrew, the phrase I am translates to 21 or 7 plus 7 plus 7, representing the highest divine number in ancient Kabbalistic teachings. Truly remarkable. If you're encountering the number 777, you're tapping into some serious energy, major juice, big time. 7 is also associated with Venus, the planet of passion, love, excitement, and fiery energy. This means that if you've just been coasting along, get ready for a shift. Passion is about to ignite in your life, love is expanding, and if you're already married, things are going to get even better. Everything is primed for expansion with the influx of 777 energy. Expect incredible abundance, opportunities, and yes, even luck. Though as manifestors, we understand that we create our own luck. It's going to be easier to manifest and attract positive outcomes. Everything will flow effortlessly. So, if you're seeing 777, anticipate miracles, expect love, money, health, and vitality to come your way swiftly. The power of 777 is immense. 7 embodies positive energy, essential for crafting the life you desire. Those attuned to 777 energy are on top of the world because everything just flows effortlessly for them. I'm about to have an amazing time, and I know I'll encounter plenty of 777s along the way. When you spot those 777, brace yourself. Good things are on their way. Step aside and let the abundance flow into your life effortlessly. Get thrilled because everything is aligning in your favor. This is an exhilarating and powerful experience, one worth witnessing. So make today phenomenal because you're not just lucky, you're extraordinary. Enjoy every moment, revel in the magic of 777 because life is only getting better and better, and you absolutely deserve it. Bye for now,